Welcome, and in this particular video I'll be sharing with you how you can actually trade your USDT to buy any token of your choice with less than $10. We all know that trading on Binance actually require a minimum of $10, but there's a way which you can actually trade buy any coin of your choice, in fact with anything less than $10. You can use $2, $5, $8 as the case may be, but the way in which you are going to go about it, and that is what I'll be sharing with you in this particular video. So what you just need to do is to log in on your Binance account. After you have logged in on your Binance account, what you still have to do, mind you that BTC is around 105,000, and buying just $8 of BTC and thinking it will skyrocket to $100 might not be a dream come true. Just of recent, it might be something that will take a lot of years. But do you know that there are still some certain coins that are far less than $1, that with your $8 another amount of, you'll be able to amount a good number of them. Let's say now, let me show you this coin. Let me say, for example, I want to buy spell. You can see spell here. Let me do it so that you'll be able to see it very well. So you can see spell here, that spell is around 0.001. Let's say I want to trade a particular one with $8. Now this is where it gets juicy, so you have to tap on your buy. After you tap on your buy, remember the last time I told you, I said be mindful that you are on spot, not future. So but in this particular video, for you to be able to trade less than $1, what you have to do is to come to convert. Yes, you have to convert. You tap on it. So after it has loaded, it will ask of you that you want to convert from which particular token to which particular token. You can see from and to. So from means which particular token are you having that you want to convert from. Let me say, for example, I want to convert from, you tap on it, let me say my USDT, and what I want to convert to, let me say I want to convert to spell. Let me look if that particular token is here, or let me say win. Yes, win is a more stronger, is more lesser token. Let me say I want to use my $50. What you say, the amount of win it will bring for me, it will pump up very soon. Oh sorry, I've forgotten that we are trading with a lesser amount. Let me say I want to trade with $8. Let's see the amount of win is going to bring for us. So now you could see that $8 of USDT we actually give us at around, let me show you, sorry about that, $8 of USDT we give us at around, we have 82,559 win, because win is actually a cryptocurrency that the price tag is far less than $1. So when you tap on trade here, you see what it will take you to a particular section where you have to complete it. You see the trade has actually been completed. I'm not trading it, so that is just how to do it, that with little amount of dollar you can actually trade a particular token from one particular amount to the other. So if you are really helpful, please kindly like and also share. So when you come to spot here, you see that if I input $8 here, the trade will, it will not go. The reason for it is that I have to have less above $10 for us to trade on spot. You need to have, you see total order value should be more than 5 years. You could see, please adjust it and try again. Whereas on convert, you can actually trade, in fact even if it is 2 USDT or $2, you can actually trade it. I think Binance has only brought it down to around 5 years. Previously it was around 10 years. So for you to start, if you are having little amount of money, is to just use the convert section there and just convert from any cryptocurrency you have to any one of your choice at a very little amount and at a very little gas fee. So if this video was really helpful, please kindly like, share, subscribe and click on the bell notification so I could get notified anytime we upload other useful video. Thank you. Bye bye.